Good evening, guys. Now today I will discuss about the destructive testing. If you see destructive testing, that is let we say seem like damage or in Tagalog that is sirain. Destructive, masisira, diba? If you say destructive, that is acting like a force. Destructive. Okay, I will discuss about the destructive testing for the mechanical test. So there are two types of destructive test: quantitative test and qualitative test. So if you see quantitative test, it is measured by quantity. So it will measure by quantity, no? So the quantity of doing mechanical test, like examples, tensile test, hardness test, HRPB notes test, CTOD, this kind of destructive test is called measuring quantity. Then if you go through the qualitative test, this is for assessing joint quality. So if you means qualitative, that is called quality. Examples, you want to test the things, what you do to the things in order to qualify the quality. So meaning you have to assess of the part of the element, like bend test, macro examination, fillet fracture, and neck break test. So this is the test, no, for the destructive test, quantitative test and qualitative test. Then we will go through the qualitative and quantitative test. Then the following mechanical tests have units and term. Quantitative test to measure the mechanical properties. The following mechanical tests have no units and term. Qualitative test assessing joint quality. Macro testing, bend testing, fillet weld fracture testing, both weld neck break testing. This is we call that's all is to assess the quality of the weld metal or anything that you have to find the quality. Example, plastic or metal. If you want to find the quality, so you have to conduct test, either macro bend testing, fillet weld fracture testing, both weld neck break testing. So this is the samples, no, mechanical test samples. Then this is samples only, the specimen. So if CTOD specimen, this is the sample. Tensile specimen, this is the sample. So parang kung sa tensile, it means tensile by pulling. So nabibinat yung bakal, no? Then if you go through bend testing, so bend is ano ba tawag sa Tagalog? Bend. Na-bend yung bakal. Tapos pag fracture naman, medyo nabiak yung bakal, yung specimen. HRP test, ito pag HRP is broke, naputol, di ba? So this is the samples to assess the quality of the things or the weld metal. So I will cut off this one in order the video will uploaded easily.